Well, speaking of money, $115,000 to update a Facebook page sounds like a good job, right? But not when it's being paid for with your tax dollars.
Well, Facebook is important these days. Yeah. That is just one of the government jobs that has people in Washington fuming and trying to put a stop to the massive disparity between public and private sector salaries. Right, John Stossel?
Yes, and there are people who say, we don't make more in the government, but this is certainly evidence that they do. Two other examples in the Peace Corps and the Transportation Department, jobs for up to $180,000 just to comply with another agency's demand.
Okay, media specialist, update Facebook, you get $115,000. Administrative position, up to $155,000 in Peace Corps. Department of Transportation, admin position, up to $180,000. But you know, John, the government argues, look, we've got to pay top dollar to make sure that we've got top people in those jobs.
Well, you know, they will always have an argument, but it's not just a reason to lower these salaries, it's a reason to have less government, because the incentives in government will always be to waste money. Right. But the first job, that's for the Department of Indian Affairs, the Bureau of Indian Affairs. Why is there a Bureau of Indian Affairs? There's no Bureau of Puerto Rican Affairs or Black Affairs or Irish Affairs, and no group in America has been more helped by the government than the American Indians, because we have the treaties, we stole their land, but 200 years later, no group does worse. And the Indians that get out of government management, they thrive in America.
Well, that's very interesting, because you have a specific example of an Indian culture. They started banks, right? And they've had no government help. And they're doing much better than anyone else who has had the government.
Tribe in North Carolina, and some politicians says they need to be recognized as a tribe, but then you have tribal management, you don't own your land, you don't really have private properties, you don't improve it. People, individuals on their own do better if government would just butt out.
And John, what you're forgetting too is usually you give up some salary because you get incredible benefits. And you retire early in government.
Not anymore.
But now you get both. And that is what really we're dealing with for sector by sector, county by county, state by state.
And it just grows. That's the founders were geniuses to say limited government.
And listen, can you give me the address? I'd like to apply my daughter, Sally, who's in high school, for that Facebook job.
She can manage the page.
It must be a great page.
But remember how many forms she'll have to fill out just to get that job. That could take a year.
Not if you use the name Stossel. You'll cut right through the red tape.
2 years.
And you can watch it every Thursday night at 10 o'clock.
Tonight.
Tonight. True, tonight.
Tonight's Thursday. All right.
You know what day it is.
Thank you, John.
Thanks, John.
Thank you.